you to start the recording.
Yeah. Good thing. I would have forgotten. I'm literally so tired. You have no idea. Every single day I'm coming at 12 o'clock or 11 o'clock at night. It's like I'm literally dead. And my head is also not working properly nowadays. So much workload, so
Sorry to
many
hear that.
things. Huh? It's better. Life is better in US only. At least you have timing set.
I'm sorry to hear that.
No, I'm saying in US at least companies we have the timing set.
You have no idea.
Why? No.
Okay, only if you're working, right?
Yeah.
And not every company is the same.
At least most companies are at least a little like that.
Yeah, in US we have this laws and everything, restrictions. The moment they overdo it, the laws are also very stringent. It's not easy to bypass those things. Here in India, though, we can do whatever we need. Maja, maja, full maja.
Mm-hmm.
From last 7 months, we are running.
One of my friends who is working at Amazon.
Working in RMZ. Where?
No, one of my friends who is working at Amazon. He says that he works Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon is best.
Amazon.
Amazon. Yeah, in India.
No, so he says that he has a very strict. No, he's working here, so he has a very strict manager, and he works like more than the allocated hours.
How much is that?
Yeah, I've heard that about Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
And here Amazon is much better. They are all the time they just go for partying and everything. All Saturdays they have a company based party. I had got an Amazon. I should have gone. I was an idiot. My best life in India, Amazon is best. See, this
Mm-hmm.
thing is
So,
related to you.
so in India, what exactly did you get?
I didn't understand.
As a mechanical engineer at Amazon.
No, it's something else. I was like, think 1 year back or something. I was simply sitting at home, and so all of a sudden I got a call letter. This that day I had registered in something. That same day I got this call letter. I didn't even see the profile. I just went there. So we had this technical. First one was 2 rounds we had first. Then we had I got selected. Then we had this final round that they are asking this simplifications and something else. It was like some normal thing only. I think. What was the thing here? It's process associate or something like that. Then yeah, I had got that, but my sister said it's not a big thing. Don't go for such things. And the funny
Mm-hmm.
part is the person who took my final round, he was a mechanical
Mm-hmm.
engineer. So he asked me the first question. He
Okay.
asked like, why you're like changing from a mechanical field to this Amazon? So I said I need growth. In mechanical industry, growth is slow, so I wanted growth.
Mm-hmm.
So like that, I was talking. Then I simply Chuma asked him like, which field are you from? So he was like straight away. He said, even I'm a mechanical engineer. Then I asked him the question back. So that was the interview. Still, I asked him questions. I literally asked him back. So then, why did you leave the mechanical industry and join Amazon? So he replied, "Yeah, same thing on the growth. Because growth is very slow in this. So this is radiator tube. Okay, this is used for satellites.
Mm-hmm.
So in
Okay.
and one different thing about this is D tubes. So I think yesterday, right? Not yesterday, day before
Yeah,
yesterday, Monday, I had a meeting in
yesterday.
HAL. I told you, right? Same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but only thing is the tubes are different. So they're using dimple tubes. Dimple tubes means inside there'll be protrusions throughout the tube. So when you're bending, there'll be like we have to bend. I think I have the model. 2D something I have. I think so. FCOC. I think I didn't say that as a folder. So it's a thing. HAL oil cooler. NAL oil cooler. HAL. No, not this. That is fuel oil cooler. So that is one thing which we had in meeting on Monday. Luckily, the meeting went well.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
And there were like all GMs and at least 6 to 7 designers and everything, and chief engineers. It was like big. That room was filled literally.
Hmm.
So we'll just do this. Okay,
Okay.
this thing you took screenshot, right? I think Srivardhan hasn't taken it. So Srivardhan, you can
I
take.
just
Yeah,
take it.
you can take the screenshot.
Can you just zoom in a little bit?
If I zoom in more, these things will go.
Yeah, okay. I got it.
So first study this. So Srivardhan, we had discussed about multi-section, multi-solids. Multi-solids is wherein you combine multiple profiles, be it circle, rectangle, rectangle to circle. See all this profiles. See doing this. See if it was a straight one, you could use a revolve command. But since this is a continuous flow channel throughout this, okay, it's very
Yeah.
difficult to design it. So for that particular reason, even if you take ribbon slot, I think you're in present for that class. So in ribbon slot, what happens is the same diameter is carried out throughout, but in this case here you can see this diameter is different from this diameter. Okay, and this diameter is different from this diameter, so it's a completely different curve throughout.
Yeah.
So for that reason we have to use multi-section solids. So if you watch the video today, you will get an idea of what it is and how it's going to be done. So till then,
Okay.
I'll just show you this how. So if you see it, you'll get a much more brief. So first things first, see here we have the bottom plane wherein we have the base plates and everything. Then we have this 200 height wherein we have this first diameter, and we have 425 height, whereas that is the total height of the complete thing. And here we can see at this 55 height, as I told you yesterday, Prabha,
Satya.
that
Mm-hmm.
this is just an extruded piece, so you don't have to do this along with this and waste your time. So this will minus this and we'll take till here. So 425 minus 55 will create a plane for this two
Mm-hmm.
circles. Then we'll create
At the bottom, there is like a triangular thing. I mean, not triangle, but there's a slanting line, that connects to the, center line of the other tube, right?
yeah, exactly.
I don't understand what that is.
This one now. This one you're talking,
No,
right?
no, in the left-hand side, the front view diagram.
This thing now. This thing is
Uh,
just a rib. A rib in the sense you just have to draw this thing and see here they have given 12 thick. So it's just a thick plate. What happens is, see, load, when some load is applied here, this shouldn't bend or break. For that reason, at this exact datum plane, they are given 12 thickness. That's all.
what
Just
about
have
the next line?
this one.
Uh-huh.
This just revolve. This is a circular entity. This is, see here you can see this. See, this is rotating throughout. It's a circular entity. This thing is just a thickness they have specified here. Thickness, if they specify, it's a plate, straight plate. Just something like gusset, or the one which we
Mm-hmm.
discussed earlier, stiffener. Remember stiffener?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you don't give this, when extreme load is applied on this end, this will bend and break.
Mm-hmm.
For
Yeah.
that reason, this is applied. So,
Okay.
what was this thing? This thing, have you? Do you remember what this thing is? Do you remember seeing this somewhere? Ram's bottom safety
The
valve.
circular pattern.
No, no, Ram's bottom safety valve. This item, this part is called Ram's bottom safety valve.
Okay. Yeah, you told me last class.
Hmm. Okay. So we'll just create these datum planes first. So just select this. We have this datum plane option which we discussed. I think Srivardhan was not present for that class also. So just go through the videos, try to understand, and if you have any doubts, you're free to ask. Don't feel anything. Okay, Srivardhan.
Yeah, sure,
Straight
sure.
away you can just ask. You can WhatsApp me also. So here, this datum plane will create before this pad. So 55 minus 425 is how much?
No,
So
370.
370.
370.
So at 370 we'll create two datum, one datum plane. Okay, one datum plane there and one datum plane here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So first we'll just select this datum plane, sketch on that. So same thing what we did yesterday. Just two
Mm-hmm.
circles.
Two circles. Okay.
Create two circles. One circle here.
Isolate.
Yesterday we are just creating random circles. Today we are creating
Mm-hmm.
specific circles.
Mm-hmm.
So just take your distance, double click on diameter. So
There
here
isn't
we
a
know
circle.
where is this thing. See, one more thing, study this. See here they have given 62. Okay, 62 is the inner diameter, and
Mm-hmm.
here they have given how much?
75.
Oh, 75. So 62, 75. This is the insides of the circle. So we need to find the
Mm-hmm.
outsides also. So
Mm-hmm.
here we have 49.5, 37.5. What is 49.5 minus 37.5? Please calculate.
12. 12.
12, right? So these
Mm-hmm.
are this is a radii, this is a radius. The thickness between these two is 12. So here if it is 62, this will become 74.
Mm-hmm.
74 means again this is diameter, this is radius. Okay. If this is diameter, then you have to do plus 24.
Then 24.
75 plus 24.
84.
84. Okay. So this thing
86.
is, so 62 plus 24 is how much?
86.
86. So we'll give 86 here. 86 enter. And what is the distance from center? Any idea? Here they are given
Uh,
200. So we'll give 100.
yep.
100 enter. Then we'll just okay, just get rid of this. We'll select this
Mirror.
mirror and put it here. And
Isolate.
remember, yeah, isolate. Very good. Because if we don't isolate, then we know what will happen. And the thing which we discussed yesterday, points. Why point is necessary?
Mm-hmm.
If you don't put
Yeah.
point, what happens? You know.
Your closing point will not be proper and
Exactly. So that's very important. It's a small thing, but
yeah, you have to.
it
Yes.
has its own importance. Small things. So if somebody else is doing it, they will literally do without all these things, and they'll get stuck somewhere. So next one. What is that thing? 86 or 85? 75. 75 plus
Oh,
that thing. How much?
what is the? It
75
was 24,
plus,
right?
yeah, 24.
99.
99, huh? So I'll just create a
Uh-huh.
circle. This is 99. That is 85.
Mm-hmm.
75 plus 24.
Mm-hmm. 99.
99. So this is done. Now straight away select this and select this. Right click, concentricity view.
Concentricity.
That's all. So once concentricity is
Mirror.
given, just select this, uncheck this first. Select this, so you take a mirror
Mirror.
command, select your center axis, that is done.
Mm-hmm.
Then our
Isolate.
points, yeah, isolated, points will add off. One point here, one more point here for easy reference.
Mm-hmm.
So now we'll just take the isolate command, So select the circle. Wait. Select the circle. Isolate. Okay. Select the circle. Where is this? Isolate. Like this. If you have any confusion, just
No.
you can
No.
exit the sketch and you can do it again. No problem.
Mm-hmm.
This isolate if it's not working or something, you can do that.
Okay.
So this is done. We have created 4 circles. Okay, this is done.
Mm-hmm.
Now what is remaining? You tell me. Now what's the
Just
next step? What did you
uh,
yesterday?
you the
Yeah,
profile.
yeah, the spline, the center line.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So
the
for that,
guideline.
guidelines or spline line. Spline line is center. Guidelines means you can write from end to end of the line. You can do.
Mm-hmm.
Spline line is much more convenient because it's exact center. Then we'll do this thing. We'll double click it so we don't have to do it multiple times. So dotted lines. So select the all are dotted lines. Now you can just uncheck this. We'll create that line which on profile or this anything you can select. So this center to this one center. Where is this? Yeah, center. This one center to this one center. Okay, that's why project 3D I did because I want the center line. So if I select center line, since the datum plane is in center, I'll get the exact center point of the circles. Understood?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now I'll just fit screen. That curvature is left out. As discussed it here earlier, we'll just create this smooth circle. This point,
Radius 100.
100, 100 we'll give.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just create tangency, how much so possible, we'll see. Let's take this will be 100. Yeah, this is 100. Okay. So here also I'll
Your
just give,
tangency.
here also I'll give tangency. Okay. Anything else left
Mm-hmm.
out?
That's
So
it.
exit this. So now we'll create a multi-section solid. So in this is multi-section solid, Srivardhan. Here we have to select multiple sketches. So it goes like
Okay.
this. And direction is also very important. How you're selecting. Okay, and one more thing very important is this closing point. So you have to right click, replace closing point and put it where it is in position. Okay, or else what you can do is we can straight away take this. Since we have created these points here, so what I can do is I can select this. You can just click on this point. So automatically here closing point is there. Automatically it will select this closing point. And this arrow is also very important when you're doing. Select second one, click on this point. Select third one, click on this point that you have created. Select first one, fourth one, select this one. So you have got all
Okay.
these profiles, but this arrow marks you can see this is going here, this is going here. So you'll get a cuspence like this will go this side, this will go this side. So it'll be like this. So you'll get an error. See something like this will come. Weird shape.
Okay.
So for that reason, this arrow marks also is very critical when you're doing multi-section solids. You just change it in one direction. Okay, then just select your spline. Spline is the center line. So select this and you preview it and click OK. So this you got. Okay. Once you get this,
Mm-hmm.
then we can do this top surface. So top surface, just select this thing, sketch, anywhere you can select. Now here, what you do is just create a circle. Where is circle? Okay, select a circle. What is the diameter of the circle?
115.
115. 115. Enter. Okay. Then you just select this curvature, right click, concentricity, then select this, take your mirror command, select your vertical axis, exit the sketch, and here you do pad command. Where is pad? Here 55 mm. This thing is 50.
What about that part?
Which part?
Oh, yeah, we can give the curve. What is
Which,
it called? Like,
which one? This thing.
Uh-huh.
That is draft. I mean, that is your
Yeah.
fillet. That
Mm-hmm.
is, see, here we have that you do it
Yeah,
last week.
yeah.
That you last you can do.
Okay.
Then coming to this bottom plate, select the base plate, sketch. So here we have this. What is this? What is this? What? Oh, um, 6 holes.
Mm-hmm.
Something they said. This thing outer diameter is 250. Here 6 holes, 21 diameter. Okay, 6 holes, 21 diameters. EQ placed. Okay, EQ placed. So just remember this 21 diameter.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 6 holes, 21 diameter. 200.
And
Okay, 200.
200
Yeah.
the
Okay. This is 250 is outside. This is 200.
uh-huh.
Okay. Now here this inside is 100. Here it's a 100 slot. Okay.
Mm.
250, 200, 100. So
Mm-hmm.
select circle. One and one more will create. And one more will create. Okay. This one is dotted. Okay.
There is two circles.
Yeah. 250. 250. This one
That
is
is 200. Oh, that one is 100.
100. This one is how much? 200.
200.
200. Enter. So this thing you can do it using this circular pattern. Okay,
Uh-huh.
that's the right
Yeah.
way to do it. But I'm
Mm-hmm.
not. I'm a little lazy, so I'm just doing this. You guys do it using circular pattern because that's much more
Mm-hmm.
convenient. Okay, because if you want to increase the holes or increase any values, that is much more. What do you say? Better. So if you do it here, again you have to open this. Then leave it. We'll do it there.
Mm-hmm.
Nee, you guys do it there. Just showing you right, for example. So it's okay. Because modification is one of the most irritating
21.
factor. One of the most irritating factor about design is your this thing
Design
modification. So a customer will say that this. So you have to just like if you take for computer programs also the same problem. They'll create a they'll first they have a specific program key. I need this. Then all of a sudden they'll come and change key. I need the program to be like this. So they have to change everything from scratch. So if you have a proper track of what you're doing, then it'll be much more convenient. Center point, the center of the circle. How many are there? One, two, three, four, five, six. So here five you have to give as we discussed earlier because already one is there. Then here
Mm-hmm.
360 divided
By
by
6.
6. So that is done. Control Z. It's okay, leave it. You guys do it. Here I didn't give the constraint things. Okay, this one is done. Now
What about
exit.
the another inner circle?
That is there already. I gave 100.
It has to.
No, no, that is see. That's a taper, na. See if it's straight, you won't see. It's a
Oh,
taper. This edge you're seeing, this edge you're seeing. Understand?
okay. Gotcha.
When you have taper, you'll see like that. How's the thickness of this?
Mm-hmm.
25.
Uh, yeah.
Yeah. So that is done. Now we have to do the other things. So this plane you select, sketch you take. So here we have this. See in bottom side cut part sketch. So cut part sketch means you can see the half of the sketch. Okay,
Okay.
like this.
Mm-hmm.
So get normal view. So here we have this something like this. Where is this? Yeah, this thing we have. So this will create 12. The thickness is 12 only. So what I'll do is just take lines. It's not very specific to dimensions. So take this endpoint I'm not getting. Since I'm not getting endpoint, I'm taking this project 3D element. I'm taking project 3D element. I'm going to select this circle. So I'll get the line.
Mm-hmm.
Normal view. Okay, anything else you need? It's going inside. Okay. So just take a line. Take line. They have not given any specific angle or something. Wait a sec. Okay, we have to select the different plane. Delete this. This became sideways. This is sideways. This is like this. So you have to select this plane, right? It's standing
Mm.
like this. So select this plane. Sketch. Okay, now better. Now select this. Okay, this is exactly what they have given here. So
Mm-hmm.
again, select this project 3D element. Select the circle. You got that line.
No, yeah.
Normal view. So here, take this. Take this. Somewhere you put. Take what is the thing? This total length is good. Yeah, total
50.
length. Right. Select this project 3D element. 12 mm only. 12 is the thing now. From here you take 12. What is this? Offset length 12. This thing is going somewhere here tangent to this. Any height restrictions? Nothing they have given. So just yeah, just join this. Just to this endpoint. More than enough. Okay. You can't take this up. Okay. So this much is done. Here this you can see. This point to this point coincidence. Control Z. Better take extend. Select this and select the inside most circle. Enough. Select this. Select this inside. Extend only select this. So rest all will be gone. If anything else is there, check it. Just rotate and see. This you make dotted line you make. Okay, that's it now. This gap is there. Normal view you give. Gap is here. So what we can do is just drag it inside. Yeah. This if we can draw a circle, it will be much more convenient. But the problem is we can't get the center of the circle. Okay. Wait. 12 only now. We give 12. Did we give 12?
I think
Yeah, the
so.
offset is 12.
Also, so we'll just check once more because it looks very thick.
Uh,
Yeah, that's 12. So we can just exit this. So we can just use our revolve command. Center axis, circle center you can select, click OK. So that part is done. Then what is
okay.
remaining? Then this thing which you are talking about. So sketch on
Yeah.
this.
Uh,
So here, this is just a normal thing. So you can just use curvature they are given. See, they haven't given any angle. This thing they're not given.
mm-hmm.
So you can just use our spline. Something like this. It's coming. It's going to the outermost edge. So okay, somewhere it's going here. Exit. Control or take this. Select this. Select the endpoint I click coincidence. This and this endpoint I'm not getting. So what I'll do, I'll just select this project 3D element. This you select, project 3D element you select. Till here it's coming. This also I'm not able to select. So what I'll do is, I'll just go here. This random you just adjust it. This point you select. Here you select this point. It's okay if it goes inside. Not at all a problem. This endpoint you select. Escape you press. This thing you try to adjust. This point and this endpoint you select. Yeah. Go here. Coincidence you make. That's all. Here these 2 points you join. This point to this point somewhere. It doesn't matter because material is still there. Okay. Now just
Mm-hmm.
trim this thing off. Whatever you don't need, you just trim off. This is not required. Trim it off. Anything else? This is not required. Not able to trim it. If you can't trim it, just straight away make it dotted lines. Anything else? Just check your drawing. There might be some gap somewhere. Isolated line. Which one? This is also isolated line. Somewhere two isolated lines are there. This is closed. Okay. I think it's a point. So leave it. So we'll just exit this, or we can just select this. Take mirror command. Where is the mirror command? Somewhere it should be. Yeah, here it is there. Select the center axis. Exit the sketch. Go to pad. See some sketch several profiles or something. Some gap is there somewhere. Somewhere some gap is there. The implicit profiles you just delete it off. Escape. Go to sketch. Control Z. Control Y. Delete one side. Delete. Just closed. You'll just see one thing opened. Which one? First closed. For some reason it is open. Ah, this thing. See bottom, it's not joined. So just straight away take a line. Take this, join here. There is dotted lines. Make it normal line. Okay, I think that'll be enough.
Mirror.
Yeah. Select this. Mirror command or center axis. Exit the sketch. Use pad command. Still you are getting something. You just see. You won't get. Just check this. Sketch. Somewhere some gap, small gap will be there. Try to delete this and delete this. Any changes? It's still in place, so it's okay. Exit this. Pad. This you give 12. Mirror. Okay. So this part is complete. Okay, now you understood now?
Mm-hmm. What is that handle-looking thing in the section A?
Section AA. Handle. Handle is this only here. This thing. This thing. This thing.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So now the final thing is what? Our shell command which we discussed yesterday. So shell
Mm-hmm.
you take, this you take, this you take. You know the thickness. How much is the thickness?
12.
12. You
Well,
give 12. Click OK. And our job is done. See?
Mm. Mm-hmm.
This is what we want to know.
there's some sort of a bridge sort of thing in the middle.
Ah, that we can do.
In the
That is not a problem. That is small thing. Now. For that, you just select this plane,
Create a plane.
sketch. So
Oh, oh yeah.
you just break this in half. So you can see the inside also. Where is this? This is exactly on this plane, this datum plane. So just create a rectangle, dimension. This is coincident to the plane. Uh, then this side, wait, it is off. This side,
Mm.
right click, allow symmetry line, the center axis. Okay, this thing
Mm-hmm.
is how much? This is S20. S20 any square. So this is 20. This is 20. Okay, that's all. Exit the sketch. So you can just pad it. This side up to next you give exactly on the side. More you take. Next one also you take up to next and click OK. So that part is done. And here's oh sorry that is 20 is
Mm.
this square inside. So what is this
Mm-hmm.
one's dimension? This one's dimension here they are given 25, 64. So just sketch on this. So 25 is this. Sorry, 65 is this. And update. In center that 24 hole is it. So for the center rectangle you take, center point you take, dimension. This is 20 and this is also
Mm-hmm.
20. Enter. Exit the sketch. Here pocket you give. Just drag it down and click OK. So that is done. Now what else is remaining? The fillet part. Fillet part just you can just directly do it. Wherever you want you can do it. So here this edge, one edge, just go here, intersection you select. Here fillet is there, fillet is not there. Better you take intersection selected feature. So objective fillet uh, this you select, feature this you select. So you can see both the places we got. This is 12 something, click OK. So that fillet is done. Anything else? Here also inside also fillet is there. So select this edge, right. Select fillet, select search and the search here also 12 something is there, click OK. That's all, no? Fillet. Here also they
Mm-hmm.
have given some fillet. So select the bottom thing here. So not getting it. Fillet you select. So intersection, the whole thing will come. Intersection with selected feature you select. This part, more things come. Let's see. Object you take this. Okay, now 12, click OK. So that is also done. Anywhere else? That's all, no? You also not
Mm-hmm.
forget. Okay. So have you understood this now?
Yep.
It's
Yeah.
easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
So only confusion part is this creating this new bot. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
Srivardhan, don't worry too much. Like if you just go through those videos, you'll just get an idea. What I'll do is I'll share one more video. Okay.
Okay.
From some previous batch, I'll share it. Let's see, somewhere will be there. Some more detailed. And fast forward. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this one only, na? Multi sections. Yeah, this is much more detailed. This one,
Mm-hmm.
na? I'll just share it. Just type your this thing in your mail IDs. My chat box.
Mm.
Satya. So some more detail. Okay. That's it. So we'll wind up for today. Try to complete this model by today. Okay.
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 Any confusion, any doubts, you can ask me.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Chalo then. See you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And watch the videos. Okay, even this you
Mm-hmm.
watch.
Yeah.
There's more detail. You have vertices, how to combine vertices. I think even that is covered in this. You know, I'll just add one more. Let's see, one more batch. You can see that because multi sections are it's little vast. So, I deleted everything. Okay, leave it. Yeah. Okay, then we'll wind up for today. Okay. See you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See you.
Yeah. See you. Bye.